How you guys be driving? She getting ready, she getting puckered up for that juice. You can't get it, old lady. You cannot get it, old lady. Goddamn, man, goddamn. She's trying to impress me, man. She's getting them lips ready. Watch, it'll cancel out. See that? I am slowly losing my voice, but I don't care. My homie G-Wagon. Don't be the one holding up traffic like that. Never mind. Priuses. Convict. Man, have you guys heard of that prison, ADX or whatever, up in America? That whole be popping, man. They keep you in solitary confinement for like 23 hours out of your day. How insane is that? How insane is that? And that's not right and insane. That is just straight up insane. There's something I would want to say, but thing is that lots of times I say things and God makes them true, so we can't say it. But if you guys know who I am, then you guys kind of know what I mean, or what I was gonna say about the prison and the 23 hours of solitary confinement. But I'm not gonna say it. You never know, man. God be like, you know what? He said it. Make it happen, angels. Go down there and make it happen. I left that middle lane so I can swap that faster lane so I can go left and right. Problem is, since I grew up in Stratton, and that's where I got this bike from, the side mirrors, they don't swap inside. Like, I can't turn them inside for lane splitting, so that's one thing that kind of sucks. But yeah, that's one thing that kind of sucks. So when I lane split, I try not to when I'm here because of that point. Oh, Dupont. If I had a kid, man, and he a dude, his name's gonna be named Dupont. He's gonna get bullied like crazy. Man, if I ever have kids, they're gonna have the freaking like names that for sure are gonna get them, you know, bullied for sure. If you meet a girl named Betsy, man, she's getting bullied. Midge, especially if they grow up away in Stratton. Oh man, it's such nice weather. Sir, your tail light is out! If you ever find somebody with your tail light out, man, tell them. At a traffic light, just tell them, man, roll down your window, homie. And be like, yo, man, or chica, tu es tail light is no bueno. Golf cart, zing ahead. Cool. F that. Stains on the ground. It's a Dodge Hammer. The license plate bracket says, when I tell you I need you, and you tell me you need me. It's Elvis, but I'm pretty sure I got the lyrics wrong. But what are the chances that you gotta listen to Elvis? If you guys watch my channel, ain't no way you guys listen to Elvis. My type of crowd is all people like, you know, watch like legit twerking videos, follow all the Insta thoughts on Instagram, listen to dirty rap while doing the most holiest of things. Can't tell you how many times I'm listening to straight up like ass music while I'm working, and I only have like one earbud on, and my manager is like telling me some important stuff, and straight up I got music talking about ass playing in my ear, and I'm just like, yeah, man, I'll do it. Sure. Yeah, sure. Not this. No, I'm just listening to some educational podcasts to make myself even a better employee to serve you and your trash ass needs. Girls who drink Starbucks, some of them be high. Guys who drink Starbucks usually be fruity as hell. Ah, come on, homie. Okay, that is the douchiest thing I've seen in my life. Unless there's a retirement home here nearby. That is the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. Riding around on a golf cart. Like, where the hell is there a golf course here? Even if there was a golf course, why the hell are you driving that around? God, people, man. What es fuego? De cabrón! I don't know what I just said. I know fuego means hide. What does cabrón mean? I don't know. Again, man, I think of it as carbonara in German, I believe. And then I think of it as carbon and Americana. Puppy. Got that puppy. Got that Popsicle. If you ever hear somebody using the word popsicle, that'd be right in the saying. That'd be me. You just found me. Did I ever tell you that I needed you? There's a douchebag. Seriously, homie. Riding around in that. When you have those wheelchairs with a little joystick on there, why would you not use that? With the basket on there? Oh, don't make a U-turn. Please don't make a U-turn. Thank you. You in the red, go kill yourself. Thank you. What I said, I need. What's the rush, Honda? Oh my God. Pet peeves, man. Yeah, you're still gonna go, old ass. She probably didn't want to go, but she already sent that signal from her brain through her hands to go. And then now that she's old, she couldn't bring that signal back. That's why she's like, oh, damn it, my body's doing it. Abort, abort. And it was too late. Oh, come on, man. Fool the Lexus, you could have made it for both of us. God. Red light district. Have you guys ever been to a red light district? If you don't know what a red light district is, it's soft. I mean, not soft, but innocent. Why is she staring at me? You can't get it, girl. You missed me about, you missed me about 50 years. You missed me by about 50 years. Why did that take me so long to say? Oh man, my right side is heating up like a mug. And I got leathers on, man. How you guys be driving? She getting ready, she getting puckered up for that juice. You can't get it, old lady. You cannot get it, old lady. Goddamn, man, goddamn. She's trying to impress me, man. She's getting them lips ready. She can't get it though, man. There's a certain limit. After 30, after 29, it pretty much cut off. Your access to saying, unless you were insta-thought, your access to saying is over. Pop the molly, I'm back. Pop the molly, she back. Man, I want to wheelie this thing so bad. I mean, I don't wheelie. Close one! Everyone just gun it. Even if there's a car in front of you, gun it. Don't worry, we're gonna lane split soon. I see a really big open area. He's a minivan transportation, non-emergency, ambulatory, wheelchair, and gunny. Yeah, I bet there's a old people house somewhere here. What are those, retirement homes or whatever? It's somewhere around here. I can sense the oldness. Oh, 6. I can sense the smell of vapor rub and Bengay, and I can sense the pressing of Life Alert. And we would rev bomb the hell out of this tunnel. But we got an old chick up there, or next to us. Her eardrums are not strong enough anymore to take a rev bomb. F it, I'm stopping here. I can't see up ahead of me. Why must I be stuck with this old bag of bones? Look, old bag of bones over here. There's a retirement home somewhere here. Hell yeah, for sure, for sure. But give me a couple minutes, because I'm finna zoom. Alright? Free Boosie. I'm finna zoom. I think he's out of jail, but no one him. He probably back into jail already. You like that back shot right now, homies? Got that bridge view. I'm surrounded by old people and old stuff. Just give me some time, man. And I'm gonna empty this hole. You old too, look at your freaking neck. Old dude on the little gurney. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. That's what I'm talking about. Con fuego, Consuela. Man, I've never met a chick named Consuela. I'd smash Consuela. And no, you cannot legally change your name. You better be born with that name, Consuela. And we smash. I can say that I've been with a girl named Consuela. What is that? Is that Spanish? Latina? Mexicana? Colombiana? Cubana? Is that a Cubano? Cubano cigarro. Montreal, Canada. God damn, man. I cannot talk some days, man. Cannot talk some days. We got a bus up there, so everyone's gonna try to. Ooh, M series just left. A nasty orange looking one though. And I cannot tell you how bad we want to clown on M series, man. Broly, you are gonna be my redemption. Especially Kakarot sitting at home, losing to pretty much everything. But it's not her fault. I'm not letting her go full throttle or full loose. Loose as a goose, don't get me started. What is it? Own that Patron? Oh, we got that going on? I don't know. Alright, we're slowly getting away from the smell of Bengay and vapor rub and talking about olden times when I was a kid. When I was a kid, for us, ass was ankles. Ass was ankles. Looking at ankles is the same thing as looking at ass. But I wonder how old people feel now. Like, during their days, you barely saw girls wearing like tights or any of that stuff. It was like dresses and whatnot. And now you got girls floating around in pretty much booty shorts everywhere they go. Like, how do they feel? By chest. Like, how do they feel? They missed out on that whole thing, man. If I was an old man and I was living in this current age, I'd be devastated. I'd be thirsty as hell and devastated that I missed out on this entire thing. In my personal point of view, alright, haven't tasted it at all, almost tasted it all. I could say that I don't think things are gonna get much worse than this. You know, you're not really gonna see girls or guys walking around naked or anything. So I think we live in a very good time right now where you got yoga pants and all that sort of stuff out there and about. So I think we're living in the perfect time ever. You're never gonna see somebody walk around topless. You're never gonna see someone walking around naked. You don't see that stuff. You're not gonna see that stuff. It's never gonna happen. You're never gonna live in an age where that's gonna be okay by society. We already live in an age where pasties are acceptable for society. It doesn't get less than that, homies and homettes. So we live in the perfect time zone, time period, for boys and girls. You have guys that are into, you know, fitness and whatnot, man. Girls, for you got all these guys, you know, throwing up them packs of 6s. Some got them in 8s on their stomach, 6 packs and 8 packs. Live it up, man. Only thing that I fear that Speedos will come back. I don't think I've ever lived in a period of Speedos, but I think that was before I was born. But I believe it will come back. I felt the way. Gracias, my amigo.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're